Okay, so in this decimal problem, we're going to combine like terms with decimals. So notice how the variables are the ones with the decimals, but the other whole numbers are just, they don't have decimals, right? So we're going to do that one first. All right, remember, you always get to choose. So here's minus 4, minus 4. All right, so plus 4 minus 4, that's 0, so that cancels out. And then I bring down the rest. So 2.6b 0 equals 0.9b. And then here we have negative 17 minus 4. Well, negative 17, and then you take away 4. It keeps going down to the negative, remember? So if you're standing at negative 17 and you take away 4, well, it's going to get like negative 21 or something, right? Because you keep taking 4. There's an 18 here, negative 18, then 19, then 20, then 21. So you count 4 times, and you're going to see how you get to negative 21. All right, so negative 17 minus 4, negative 21. So there you go. We did the like terms. Now we're going to do the decimals. So we're going to subtract 0.9b. Why do we subtract? Well, because remember 0.9 is positive over here. So we always do the opposite. All right, positive. So we're going to subtract by negative 0.9b. This cancels. And then now we have 2 negatives. So again, the same thing. We're at negative 2.6. And we're not going to subtract 1. We're going to subtract less than 1, 0.9. Right? So how do we do that? We're going to go ahead and add these, basically. Right? Because the further you're going this way, the more you're adding, right? So 2 negatives, you add them, and the answer is still negative. So 0.6 plus 9, that is 15. Carry 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 0 is 9. So it's negative 3.5b equals negative 21. So now we're going to do long division to know how many times does negative 3.5 go into 21. So notice how they're both negatives. When you divide 2 negatives, you get a positive, right? So let's say, so the negatives are going to cancel, okay, because there's 2 negatives and you're going to divide them. How do we know we're going to divide them? Well, because these two are multiplying. We're going to divide by 3.5 on both sides, right? So now we're going to say how many times does 3.5 go into 21? So again, like in the previous example, this is decimal. We can move it 1 over and then move this one over because there's an invisible decimal there. So now we have 35. How many times is it going to 210? So 210. So let's see. Let me erase this because we already moved our decimal. So let's go ahead and start multiplying. I'm going to guess 35 times 5 probably. So let's see. It's 25, 2, 15, 17. Wow, that's very close. Let's try 35 times 6. 30, carry 3. What is that? 18, 21. Oh, there you go. Right on the mark. 6. So b equals 6. B equals 6. Did I do that right? And remember, you can always plug it back in and replace for b. Replace every b with 6. And then see if it equals out on both sides. Alright. So that's it.